Hi everybody, this is Sona from the team Terminators, and we will be talking about the basics of Azure IoT and what we have available as a platform or as a service in Azure IoT. So before we begin, let's talk about the topics to be covered in this video. Firstly, we will be seeing on what is Azure IoT, followed by its components, and then the products and services of Azure IoT, and lastly, the use cases. As we all know, Microsoft Azure is a private cum public cloud platform. You might also be familiar with the services rendered by Azure that the developers and IT professionals use to build, deploy, and manage their applications with. Well, Azure is one of the leading cloud service providers, and that is why when you talk about Azure, what it really does is that it basically provides you with integrations and services that would help you implement IoT services on top of it with ease. Azure IoT is a collection of managed and platform services across edge and cloud that connect, monitor, and control billions of IoT assets. It also includes security and operating systems for devices and equipments, along with the data and analytics that help businesses to build, deploy, and manage IoT applications. When discussing Azure IoT, we consider how these services works together across three components. So the three fundamental components of Azure IoT are things, insights, and actions. Things. Things are basically the physical objects such as the industrial equipment, devices, or sensors that connects to the cloud. Insights. Insights are the information collected by the things which are analyzed and turned into actionable knowledge either by the people or AI. Actions. Actions are the ways people respond to the insight and connect them to their business as well as the systems and tools used by them. Products and services. So the products and services offered by Azure IoT are broadly classified into connectivity and analysis and edge and device support. Let us see a few products and services which comes under connectivity and analysis. Azure IoT Hub managed services for bidirectional communication on between IoT devices and Azure. The IoT Hub serves to be a security enhanced communication on channel for sending and receiving data from IoT devices. It also provides inbuilt data management and provisioning to connect and manage IoT devices at scale. It provides full-scale integration with Azure Event Grid, serverless computation, and simplify IoT application development. Lastly, it also provides compatibility with Azure IoT Edge and Azure Stack for building hybrid IoT applications. Azure IoT Central. So Azure IoT Central is highly secure, scales with your business as it grows, ensures your investments are repeatable, and integrates with your existing business apps. It connects your IoT devices to the cloud quickly and easily. It offers centralized management to reconfigure and update your devices and builds the gap between your business applications and IoT data. Azure IoT Edge. Azure IoT Edge comes under Edge and device support, which is fully managed and service built on Azure IoT Hub. So this helps to deploy your cloud workloads, third-party services on your business logic to run on IoT Edge devices via standard containers. The Azure IoT Edge it works with Linux or Windows devices that support container engines. It is a free open source. It is free and open source under the MIT license to give you more control and code flexibility. It offers Docker compatibility containers from Azure services or Microsoft partners to run your business's logic at the edge. Helps you remotely manage and deploy workloads from the cloud through Azure IoT Hub with zero touch device provisioning. Use cases. So to learn on how Azure IoT works, here are a few specific use case scenarios. Condition monitoring for industrial IoT. This scenario here depicts how the end manufacturers can connect their assets to the cloud using open platform communication, unified architecture, and the industrial components. This helps in achieving an operational excellence across your processes by monitoring the integrity of your equipment to avoid critical and costly downtime. Predictive maintenance for industrial IoT. This improves the efficiency of your equipment, anticipate outages, and ensure production uptime while reducing the costs by optimizing the production. Create a safe building. This builds confidence by letting your employees and customers know that you are focused on their health and safety as you resume on site operation with safer workspaces. So, I hope you guys found this video on Azure IoT informative and helpful. Thank you.